Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. And also we look at the price action in dollar index. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, November 15th. At 6 AM we have high impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs. And at 12:30 PM we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs. And also we have medium impact news at the same time for British pound related currency pairs. And at 3:30 PM we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. At 7 PM we have two high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs and one medium impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. And also we have G20 meeting happening today, which has a medium impact. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in a 4 hours time frame of dollar index. Previously we have noticed a dollar index to consolidate within this resistance and support levels. Then finally we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support on the level of 106, but it has not started its bullish side retracement. First level of resistance is going to be around 107, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level we can expect the test on the resistance line over here on the level of 109. So the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is still in a bearish trend, and if the price action breaks this support level of 106 we can expect it to fall further and to test the support level of 104. So still the current trend of the price action of dollar index in 4 hours time frame is in a bearish trend for now. Let us look at the price action of gold, US dollar currency pairs. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we know that from the resistance level of 1800 it came on a bearish trend, then it made a triple bottom pattern, and we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And from the past price action we know that this is where the bearish trend has started. So this level between 1800 to 1785 will be acting as a strong resistance when the price action tries to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And also when we notice a price action, it is trying to complete the triple bottom pattern. So the maximum we can expect it to retrace up to this resistance level of 1800, then to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And only when the price action breaks this resistance zone we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. And also I've marked this support line or the trend line over here, which will be acting as a support when the price action tries to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And only when the price action breaks this support line we can expect the further continuation of the bearish side retracement. And next level of support is going to be around 1680, where we have noticed this level to be acting as a very strong support and resistance in the past price action. So the trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is in a bullish trend for now. And currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1785 to support level of 1748 or 1750. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1720. And only when the price action breaks this trend line or support line and the support level of 1720, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side, and next level of support is going to be around 1700 and 1680. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or support line from 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. Again I'm going to draw a channel pattern for hourly time frame in order to understand the current trend of the price action. And based on this bullish channel pattern, we can see that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend because it is trading between this support line of the bullish channel pattern and the resistance line. So wait for the price action to break this support line if you want to take trades on the bearish side retracement, and wait for the price action to bounce back from this support level of 1748 or 50 in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. So the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also still in a bullish trend for now. We are noticing it to form a double top pattern, but it has to break this support level of 1748 in order to get the confirmation on the formation of the double top pattern. And only the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Yesterday also we have noticed a price action to consolidate within this resistance level of 1775 and support level of 1748. So wait for the price action to break this support level of 1748, and next level of support is going to be around 1733, 1720, 1707, 1700 and 1690. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1775, next level of resistance is going to be around 1784 and 1800. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. Again, for 30 minutes time frame also, I'm going to draw a trend line or a support line to understand the current trend of the price action. So based on this support line and the resistance line, we can notice that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend, still trading within this bullish channel pattern on a sideways momentum. So again, in 30 minutes time frame also, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. Again, we have the very strong support line from the hourly time frame, which it has to break in order to continue further on the bearish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading between this resistance line or the support line, we can expect a sideways momentum or the bullish trend to continue 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are going to be the current resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating within this bullish channel pattern and trading between the resistance level of 1774 and support level of 1758. Wait for the price action to break the support level of 1758, and next level of support is going to be around 1748, 1740, 1732, 1720, 1705 and 1700. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1774, next level of resistance is going to be around 1784. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to retest the higher time frame resistance level of 1800. So the area between 1800 to 1784 is a very strong resistance zone from the higher time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.